Meet MalariaFinder. This application lets you quickly get present parasitemia from the blood smear image, instead of manually counting the cells, which is time-consuming, and errors can derive from fatigue and human errors. Once you enter the application, you will find the viewer and the reporting area. To load images, choose File and Load Folder or press Ctrl F. You can also load an image by choosing Load Image or press Ctrl O. When the file is loaded, click Run and Analyze or press Ctrl A. Then wait for a few seconds. When the analysis is done, you can find your result in the reporting area. In the viewer, the infected cells are marked. Red marker indicate ring stage infection, and green marker indicate trophozoite stage infection. To export the data, choose File, Save, and Export Data, or press Ctrl E. The data will be saved in spreadsheet format. To save the image in the viewer, choose File, Save, and Save Image, or press Ctrl S. Then JPEG file will be saved to your hard drive.